हाय फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आज। आज वापस मिलते हैं फॉर येट अनदर सेशन फॉर हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव्स। ओके, हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव्स का और एक इंपॉर्टेंट सम है विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे। देखें क्या है। ऑल सेट फॉर टुडे? ओके फाइन, लेट्स सी क्या प्रॉब्लम है दोस्तों। देखो, y is equal to log of x plus root of x squared plus a squared raised to m. Prove that, ये प्रूव करना है। x squared plus a squared y2 plus x y1 equal to 0। अभी ये y2 और y1 क्या है वो लास्ट में देखेंगे। You might be knowing y2 and y1 क्या है, लास्ट में देखेंगे। It is not y squared, y2 और y1 कभी कभी देते हैं उन लोग, तो देखेंगे क्या है, डोंट वरी। Okay, now how do we solve? Okay, how do we solve this? First of all, using rules of logs. यहाँ पे log है ना, so directly we can't differentiate. I mean, you can differentiate, but it is better to use rules of logs, make things simpler. So rules of logs यहाँ पे अगर use किया तो m सामने आता है, m into log of all this. M comes in front. M comes in front, so m into log of all this, right? That will make things slightly simpler. Differentiate with respect to x. अभी दोस्तों यहाँ पे parametric equations नहीं है. You don't have t or theta as the parameter. Right hand side you have x. A is taken as a constant unless and until mentioned. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. As usual, m बाजू को रखो, d by dx of that full function. Okay, as usual. So dy by dx, m constant aside, derivative of log. So by now you must know the formulae. यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है मैंने, d by dx of log x. You must know the formulae. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of this log will be 1 upon all this. log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1 upon x. So log of this bracket का डेरिवेटिव क्या रहेगा? 1 upon this bracket, and as we know, into d by dx of that bracket. Chain rule, derivatives of composite functions, right? So m into 1 m upon this bracket. अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है, डेरिवेटिव लेना है यानी ओपन अप द ब्रैकेट्स, d by dx of x plus d by dx of root of x squared plus a squared. So d by dx of x is 1. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट क्या है? 1 upon 2 root x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट x 1 upon 2 root x. So डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस रूट will be 1 upon 2 root x squared plus a squared into d by dx of x squared plus a squared. Same composite functions. Okay, you must know all this because now we are nearing the end of the chapter now. So derivative of x is 1 plus 1 upon 2 root all this. अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव वापस लेना है, d by dx of x squared, open up the brackets orally, d by dx of x squared is 2x. d by dx of a squared is 0 unless and until mentioned all these other letters like a, b, c, k are taken as constants. Okay, so m also. Derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of a is 0. लिखने की जरूरत, 2x plus 0 don't write. Why add one more step? Neglect कर लो 0 को. So 2 gets cancelled. m upon all this which is already there into 1 plus x upon root of x squared plus a squared. अभी x आ गया है, x into 1 is x, यहाँ पे आ गया है, right? समझ में आया? Okay? Okay, let's go ahead. So m upon this bracket into, now addition of two fractions. Addition of two fractions कैसे करते हैं? रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर इज द एलसीएम. 1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मीन्स 1 इज देयर, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू. 1 into root of x squared plus a squared. व्हेन फाइंडिंग द एलसीएम, 1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, सो रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर इज द कॉमन एलसीएम. 1 into root of x squared plus a squared, that is root of x squared plus a squared. Okay, and this x as it is because LCM is present over there. Basic method of finding the LCM. Followed. अभी ध्यान में रखो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है. So because of the multiplication sign, have you noticed one thing? X plus root of x squared plus a squared, root of x squared plus a squared plus x, ये दोनों सेम है. If you take x in front, you get this. Both these terms are same. ध्यान से देखो, x plus root of x squared plus a squared, x plus root of x squared plus a squared. They are same. No need to rearrange also. Direct cancel कर लो because you have a multiplication sign here, right? So directly I can cancel this. Full term gets cancelled ना? बीच में ऐसा x नहीं कट कर सकते. Full term gets cancelled because you have a multiplication sign over there. तो अभी क्या रह गया? dy by dx equal to m रह गया and upon root of x squared plus a squared remains. Followed? Okay, that's what I have written here. Now ये अपना dy by dx आ गया. Okay, now as I told you, meaning of y2 which we were going to discuss. y2 यानी कुछ नहीं है, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव d squared y by dx squared. y1 means first order derivative dy by dx. Sometimes they purposely write y2 and y1. Okay, confusion create करने के लिए कि क्या, अरे y2 क्या है, कुछ नहीं है. y2 यानी d squared y by dx squared, y1 यानी dy by dx which we have already got. So अभी y2 means d squared y by dx squared लाना है यानी वापस डिफरेंशिएट करना है, राइट? सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव मींस डिफरेंशिएट 2 times, बट बिफोर डिफरेंशिएटिंग एज वी हैव सीन, ये डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे ले लो, which I have taken over because it becomes simpler to use product rule rather than quotient rule. तो डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे ले लिया. बाद में get rid of the root sign. How do you get rid of the root sign? Squaring both sides. So if I square both sides, root sign goes, root sign चला गया, x squared plus a squared dy by dx bracket squared is equal to m squared. Now you tell me where a silly mistake can occur. dy by dx bracket squared is the right thing. Don't write d squared y by dx squared. dy by dx bracket squared है, स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं हम लोग. That is where a silly mistake can occur. d squared y by dx squared is the second order derivative. That is different. ये मिल गया, रूट साइन चला गया. Now differentiate with respect to x again. Differentiate with respect to x again means d by dx on both sides. Simple बात है. Now d by dx on both sides means अभी देखो inside the bracket you have got first function into second function. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटू सेकेंड फंक्शन यानी क्या? यूज प्रोडक्ट रूल. डेरिवेटिव डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करना है. इसके बाद में ऑल सेट फॉर प्रोडक्ट रूल, राइट? ओके, हाउ डू यूज द प्रोडक्ट रूल? अगेन वी विल रिपीट. फर्स्ट फंक्शन डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस सेकेंड फंक्शन इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x squared plus a squared. राइट हैंड साइड भी है, d by dx of m squared is 0. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ m squared 2m मत लेना. Unless and until mentioned, m squared is taken as a constant. So derivative of m squared is 0. So this is the equation that we have got. Now ये d by dx of dy by dx bracket squared we have to solve. फर्स्ट फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड, दिस थिंग ये क्या है? dy by dx ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव कैसे लेने का? Okay, we have seen one formula, we will repeat that and complete the problem. Okay, so let us see the remaining few steps now. देखेंगे. Okay, all set to complete the problem. Let us go ahead. I am solving this now. d by dx ने डेरिवेटिव लेना है ये टर्म का. कुछ हाई फाई नहीं है, सिंपल थिंग. dy by dx ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव कैसे लोगे? 2 comes in front into dy by dx raised to 1 नहीं लिख रहा हूं मैं, into derivative of dy by dx. Into derivative of dy by dx is d squared y by dx squared. So remember this as a formula. d by dx of dy by dx bracket squared is nothing but 2 dy by dx into d squared y by dx squared. Formula याद रखो. No need to write d by dx again. Clear? Okay. Let's go ahead. इसको कुछ नहीं करना. Do this orally. d by dx of x squared is 2x. d by dx of x squared is 2x. d by dx of a squared is 0. Don't write, सिर्फ 2x लिखो and equal to 0. Clear? I hope you followed this. d by dx of dy by dx ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. dy by dx ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 2 comes in front, dy by dx raised to 1 into derivative of dy by dx, that is d squared y by dx squared. Composite function ही है, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Perfectly clear. Last step में अभी कन्वर्ट करते समय ऑलवेज गो बैक टू द डिटेल्स ऑफ क्या दिया हुआ है. x squared plus a squared, y2 and a second order derivative which we have got. So x squared plus a squared we require, मिल गया है. y2 we require, मिल गया है. y2 and a second order derivative. So we don't want this, ये टर्म निकालना है यहां से. So ये टर्म अगर निकालना है, so क्या करना है? Divide this term and this term by 2 dy by dx. That's all. 2 dy by dx से divide करो, आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा. But while dividing, you have to divide this, divide this, divide this, because it is an equation. So I am going to say dividing each term by 2 dy by dx. अभी देखो, x squared plus a squared into 2 dy by dx into, अभी इसको y2 बोलते हो because they want y2. Divide this full term by 2 dy by dx plus, I'll write this as 2x dy by dx bracket squared. Divide by 2 dy by dx. Right hand side 0. Divide by 2 dy by dx. 2-3 सम ऐसे है important sums जहां पे we are going to divide each term by 2 dy by dx. 2 dy by dx cancels. 2 cancels. dy by dx गया, 1 dy by dx ऊपर रह गया. 0 upon anything is 0. Let's check the final answer. X squared plus a squared y2 x dy by dx 0 upon anything is 0. dy by dx can also be called as y1. राइट? कुछ नहीं है प्रॉब्लम, ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बट डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ओके, सो सॉल्व दिस अगेन. बेसिक्स जो मैंने बताया उसको ध्यान से देखो. रिमेंबर y2 is d squared y by dx squared, y1 is dy by dx. Okay, and a and m are taken as constants. Right? Enjoy your video. Try to solve it without looking. देखो, प्रैक्टिस करो. सिर्फ वीडियो एंजॉय नहीं करने का, प्रैक्टिस लेटर ऑन. बाय फॉर नाउ. I'll meet you in another day or two with the last exercise of derivatives. Bye.